How to fix ChatGPT not working or loading error. So first of all, you have to refresh ChatGPT by completely closing the application and reopening it again. If that does not work, check your internet connection and then try switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data. After that, head over to a web browser. In the search bar, search for Down Detector and then search for OpenAI ChatGPT and see if ChatGPT is experiencing an outage. If there is no outage, you have to go ahead and clear your ChatGPT cache by opening Settings. Inside Settings, tap on General, tap on iPhone Storage. Now search for ChatGPT and then tap onto it. After that, you have to go ahead and simply tap on Upload app, then tap onto it one more time. Now tap on Reinstall app and see if that fixes your error. If it still won't load, temporarily disable VPN if you have any, as VPN and proxy may interfere with the connection. And if you're using ChatGPT in a browser, you can try a different browser, device, or network. If none of these fixes, you have to contact OpenAI support for further assistance. That's it. Thank you all for watching. If this video was helpful, consider subscribing to our channel and liking this video.